Hey guys, it's been a minute. I've had some big changes happen in my life over the last few months. I moved, got a dog, climbed a mountain, cut my hair, and worked and traveled a bunch. But one thing I didn't do a whole lot of is pick up my camera to shoot personal work. As photographers, it can get really easy to let life and work get in the way of shooting for fun. So to break out of this creative rut, I'm going to show you an easy and painless way to get back out there and start shooting again.
People always say that getting through a creative block is just about forcing yourself to start without overthinking it. That's why step one is shoot something close to you. Choose a subject in your home, whether it's an object, a person, or an interior. Obviously, I had to choose my dog, Pippa. It's important to remember to just have fun. Don't strive for perfection and just take one photo that makes you happy. Next, take a walk around the block and shoot something in your neighborhood. I took a walk around Sunset and found some cool colors and textures near where I live, and I ended up taking several photos I was pretty happy with. Finally, hop in your car and take a short drive. Hit up a memorable spot nearby. Don't overthink it and don't worry about going someplace epic. I went to a lookout near my local dog park at night and took a long exposure photo. I also happened to run into some fire dancers, and that just made the experience even cooler. By the end of the day, you'll have shot a handful of photos and hopefully come away with a few that you're happy with.
So no matter what you've got going on, it's never too late to brush that dust off your camera and start shooting again. And now that I'm back, I've got a few more videos to push out that I shot earlier this year, and then I've got a lot more new content coming your way. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Precision Strike. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie.